Good afternoon, I'm Adam MacDonald, European Sales Manager at GDC Technology. Whilst 2020 for sure was a year for the cinema industry to forget, it was also the one in which we celebrated our 20th anniversary year. GDC worked hard and invested heavily in R&D, developing products and services to help you, our partners in exhibition, to bounce back in the coming months and years. We're well aware of the need for smart investment in technology, and also that exhibitors will look to extend the life of existing technology as long as possible. With that in mind, I'd like to mention a couple of products. First of all, the new and improved S1 Kit Plus, a rack-mountable all-in-one unit containing storage and an IMB that can be used today to extend the life of a Series 1 projector, whilst being an investment for tomorrow when used with the Series 2, 3 or 4 DLP cinema projector. And something we're extremely excited to launch soon in Europe, the SR1000 IMB with an embedded audio processor. When combined with the optional AIB 2000 I/O box, this will allow exhibitors to upgrade to the very best 5.1 7.1 surround sound audio at a really competitive price. Before sharing a video celebrating GDC at 20, I'd like to share some special words from our founder, chairman and CEO, Dr. Manang Chong.
Hello Europe and Happy New Year. I wish you a happier summer when the COVID vaccine is put to work and life is back to normal by the second half of this year. It is incredible what we can do when we put under immense stress. The scientists developed several deployable vaccines in such a period of time. The same can be said in our cinema industry. Although we saw the plunge of box office in cinema across the world in 2020, we are resilient and we continuously prepared to welcome the moviegoers when the cinemas reopen for business. I look forward to watching the backlog of movies at the cinema later this year. GDC is playing our part to ensure that when the cinema is back to business, we are here to offer you the best possible solutions and services to ensure that you quickly recover part of your losses in 2020. Last year, we spent a lot of our time in new product developments, and my colleagues in Europe shall share with you the exciting products and services that we are preparing for the exhibitors. We are committed to working with you so that you can regain your business sooner. Good luck, stay healthy, and get ready to party when the COVID pandemic is declared over. I miss you, and I cannot wait to attend the unique party in Europe later this year. Thank you.
GDC Technology, a leading digital cinema solutions provider with presence in 13 offices
and 38 service centers worldwide. GDC is number 1 in Asia Pacific in terms of market share and number 2 worldwide. 25 of the world's top 30 cinema exhibitors are GDC customers. The leading digital cinema display manufacturers rely on and trust GDC's media servers. GDC has a long history of outstanding achievements, including over 70,000 media servers shipped since 2001. GDC's SR1000 media server is certified for 100,000 hours mean time before failures, and the SRC6400C is the only media server that can play back 4K content at 240 frames per second in 3D mode, exceeding the highest specifications in the industry. GDC innovates the all-in-one board, the world's first single-board solution that combines media server, ICP, and formatter board to power the world's quietest, lightest, and smallest DCI-compliant cinema projection system.
I am a work of art. I received the prestigious 2020 Red Dot Award based on my sophisticated technical features. I am lightweight, yet packed with high-tech features. I am an RGB Plus laser phosphor projector featuring the world's leading ALPD 4.0 technology. My light engine and lens are designed with IP5X level of dust-proof protection with a laser lifetime up to 30,000 hours of operation. I am powerful. I'm packed with power by GDC all-in-one board and diskless Cinecache memory. supporting cinema on-demand application with GDC's Cinema Automation 2.0 that enables the storage and playback of thousands of movies. Built-in digital cinema audio processor will be available as an option. IM Espedio Supra, ideal for mini theaters and non-traditional exhibition options in hotels, screening rooms, and yachts. I am the best possible projection system from renowned technologists. GDC, Appotronics, and Texas Instruments.
GDC has over 1,000 screens running on Cinema Automation CA 2.0 with up to 2,000 movies available for each screen, and over 30,000 screens actively running GDC's theater management system, one of the world's leading TMS, as well as over 1,000 screens installed with GDC's DTS-X immersive sound solution. GDC Technology, celebrating its 20 years of collaboration and innovation.